we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Laaioo Hot Tent Stove Portable Wood Burning Stove. Highlight features or overview summary, that's include: upgraded titanium finish. Portable wood stove is made of upgraded titanium surface 304 stainless steel material, and corrosion resistant and not easy to rust. Its stove thickness is 0.031 inches, or 0.8 mm, stronger than steel and not easy to deform, is best wood stove ideal material. Extended legs and side window. Tent wood stove unique extended leg design allows you to add firewood without bending down, making it more convenient and free. Meanwhile, our wood stove is equipped with high heat resistant large size glass window, allowing you to keep an eye on the internal combustion situation. The unique ashtray design makes it easier to clean up the burning ashes. Full combustion. Compared with traditional wood stoves, its burning time is 30% longer than them, which can save you more materials. Full combustion allows you to save costs and is more environmentally friendly. Unique fire power adjustment design allows you to adjust the fire volume. It will make wood stoves suitable for any occasion. Bigger yet lighter. Our camping wood stove is larger than most on the market, and lighter than others of the same size. It weighs only 18 pounds, you can easily lift it up without much effort. Safety. The tent wood stove contains 5 sections of chimney pipe, which can be assembled according to the actual height needed to ensure proper ventilation. And the small wood stove also have a chimney elbow that prevents rain and snow from getting in to ensure the safety of the stove when in use. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.